Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Benny Charles. I am the founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor, and I am here today to do a video on my last month's trading. And so, just want to just show and share this with you guys. Again, you have to. Uh, Yeah, I just want this to be an inspiration. So you guys know the disclaimers. Um, you know, future profits are not indicative of past results. So, um, and every trader is different. So, but this is what we have for the past month. All right. So we see here September 13, 2019. There was a $5,000 deposit, and here are the trades that I have taken over the last month. Here, let me just pull this up so you can see everything. And so, uh, again, here's the deposit. So we started out pretty well. All right, first trade, we made a profit of 514. We lost 64.68, lost 66.33. Made $5.72, $2.22, $6.29. Um, I was doing a lot of the trailing stop loss, which I don't do, but I was trying to do a little something different in my trading. But anyway, we see where there's a loss for $32 here, a gain of 390, a loss of 717, gain of 288, gain of 1735, loss of 451, loss of $9.99, gain of $36.86, a loss of $417, gain of $46, a loss of 130, a gain of 139, a gain of 160, a gain of 15, a loss of 201, a gain of 15, a gain of 158, a gain of 89, a gain of 245, a gain of 727, a gain of 812, a gain of 43, a loss of 389, a gain of $259. And if you look down here, all of that for that past month was a total of $740.38 in profit. So pretty good. You know, any time you're able to make profit, that's good. Overall, and you can see the very last trade was you can see where it was taken. I don't know why it says 1014. It wasn't 1014. It wasn't today. I took this trade last night on the 13th. And so was um, what I was doing was from September 13th to October 13th. So I made October, and if you guys you guys may hear my sons in the back. They're out of school, having fun right now. We're getting ready to go on a fishing trip. So um, yeah, they're kind of doing their thing. So, but I wanted to make this video really quick. But so what I was doing again, let me get back to what I was saying. I digress. I was going to make trades from September 13th to October 13th. I'm not sure why it's showing the 14th because I did not make any trades today. But I did enter this trade last night, which is Sunday the 13th. But anyway, and so let's look at our percentage. So we've taken a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, a total of 29 trades over the past month. All right. I guess that will equal out to like roughly one trade per day, but I wasn't trading every day. Just when the setups happen with my workflow. So we've got a total of 29 trades. All right. So we got a total of 29 trades, and then so what we'll do is now count the number of wins. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, and so if I do this correctly, we should do 20 divided by 29. Alright, and so for this past month, I had a ratio of a 68%, 68, 69%. Um, I'll say 69. I'll round. No, I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there. So I had a 68% win rate. Okay. All right. So again, we took a total of 29 trades, and we won 20 of those trades, and we lost 9 of the 29 trades. So that's still not, that to me that's not bad. That's still not bad. On an average, I do know um, I'm looking at about a minimum, usually a minimum of 80. I don't know, last month was last month, but on average, the win percentage is about 80% uh, win rate. But nonetheless, uh, I wanted to show this to you guys, be an encouragement to you, to show you that, hey, if you're looking at investing, if you're looking at creating another stream of income that could possibly, replace your income, Forex is it. And you will have your off months like October, and so, or like September. And so this is a really good example. You guys know I like to be upfront and real. I don't want you to think like this is a get quick. I can't even say it right, but this is not a uh, get rich quick scheme. All right, but this is legitimate investing, and depending upon your trading style, how aggressive you are or how passive you are, you can make a lot of money. And no, you don't have to deposit $5,000 in here. Um, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my next one will be I'll do a video maybe for trading starts to slow down like December, maybe for November. Yeah, maybe for November. I will do deposit $50 or something like that. I'll create an account and put $50 in there just to show you guys that it really doesn't take a lot. Um, Now, depending on how I trade, is really based on how much money I have to start with. So, like this past month, it wasn't too aggressive, if you will. But um, and when I think about aggression, I think about the number of trades that I'm taking. All right, whether at one time and the frequency, of the trade. So that would probably increase with a smaller account because I want to grow it as quick as possible, but also do it in a more secured way, if you will. So I'll show you that. I'll show you that it doesn't. You don't have to have a lot. You don't have to have a lot to start with and to grow from. You just want to treat your Forex account like a savings account. That's what I've grown to learn. Even while you're learning how to trade, treat it like a savings account. So any extra money you get, put it in that broker account. Don't trade it. Put it in that broker account and practice on a demo account. Trade on the demo account, and then once you get comfortable enough to actually start trading, your actual broker account with the real money in it, it's going to grow. Now you don't get interest on it or anything like that. So if you put $50, the $50 are going to stay there. You're not going to lose it or anything like that, unless the company goes under. But that likely won't happen. But you won't get any interest on it or anything like that. But you can say, you know what? Hey, I'm saving up. I'm saving up, and once I'm comfortable with trading on this demo account, to where I see, hey, I'm taking a total of 29 trades and I'm only losing 9. 68%. That's pretty good. For me, anything over 50% win rate is good. That I mean that even beats the odds of lottery, right? Because you listen, once you learn uh, how to trade the technicals of Forex, just my personal opinion, and you kind of like get away from the fundamentals, you're gonna make a profit. Like you're gonna make a profit. I promise you, you are going to make a profit. And so, and again, like I always say, once you learn like the market cycles and market manipulation and market structure, like you're gonna kill it. You're gonna make a profit from it. So let this be an encouragement to you. All right, you don't have to start with $5,000. You've seen the other videos. Um, but you can make money. Like you don't have to let your trailing stops, put in trailing stops, but you can, make mental notes of, when you want to take profit, and you're going to do greater. This is more, what I've done here this past month was more of a autopilot type testing. Hey, if I do put in a trailing stop and just let my trades run, um, what's going to happen? Am I going to get stopped out? If I'm going to make a profit? If I'm going to lose? So